Let's get it. In my session, I'm in my zone. Say, it's Q Stars. It's my favorite of all times. I had to drop it again. Shit, I'm back at it. It's Q Stars the Dawn. Yeah, let's get it. Look, this beat nasty, so I had to come hard. 50 bricks, bitch, chipped off the China wall. Shit is mean, it only come a dime a dozen. If I can't get to you, then I'ma kidnap your cousin. No PS3, no, I ain't playing with you. When it comes to my benches, you gon' see 72 inches. Lil Wayne flow, it got no sinners. Your mom's begging on her knees. I told the bitch to mind her business. It's wartime, time for the extortion. Never knew you'd be your pain. I done told your mom she should've had that abortion. You must got balls if you stepping up to me. Might as well trade the genders, cause most of you niggas pussy. You wussy, I can smell it on your clothes. You need a dish B. Sell block D with your man bitch playing footsie. Give me any beat, guaranteed I'ma smash. I'm on my dummy shit, boy. Indeed I'ma crash. What the fuck you think this is, boy? You lose your fucking life, bitch. Fucking with the kid, boy. SKs and AKs on call, boy. Now you scared in the church crying out, oh Lord. No pity for you fools like Mr. T. You niggas hungry for pillows, and I say that it's time to eat. I'm like a lion in the jungle, ready to feast. But she don't wanna be my meal, she wanna marry the king. You ain't shit if you ain't got me, Alicia Keys. And I ain't shit if I ain't hot, I need some weed. I don't bang, but I'll bang it in a minute. Then send your fam to pick up the pieces when I'm finished. Real shit, yo, I go hard. If you don't know by now, it's Q Stars. My front yard is full up with chalk print and a sign in my yard that says enter at your own risk. I buy weight, amateurs buy sex. Kick in your dough and take your shit and make you buy it back. G Squad and D4 Dub, wherever's popping that, we in that club. In the telly with 4 slugs, that's gon' give me that bud. Just a quickie like Miguel, just trying to get that nut, man. Shit is crazy nowadays. Indicate niggas is broke, but bet I find a way. I don't sleep till I eat, I'm a block burner. Sleep all day, up all night, call me nocturnal. Eat these pussies up like they fucking finger foods, and make them hit high notes like fucking singers do. They test me, cause I'm goofy than a motherfucker. But fuck with me, I pull it quicker than a motherfucker. I'm a mud lover, I don't fuck with too many, cause a lot of these niggas is undercover. It's Q Stars, the Dawn, aka the boss, B.O. double money sign. Hit me up on Facebook, Q Stars the Kid or Q Stars. Hit me up on Twitter, G_over pretty boy. Instagram, Q Stars_DA_Dawn.